Okay, I hope all of you have understood the question. What you need to make, we have to prepare 1-chloro-1-methyl cyclohexane. Fluorine and CS3, right? 1-chloro-1-methyl cyclohexane. So this can be produced from alkene, right? You can have alkene, which is going to give you this product. So what are the different types of alkene that you can use and form this product? Like, what is the alkene that is needed? आपके पास एक alkene होना चाहिए. You react this with HCl. ठीक है? Now, if it is just HCl, then tell me Markovnikov or anti-Markovnikov. Alkene plus HCl, it will be Markovnikov or anti-Markovnikov. Tell me, guys. What do you think? Yes, correct. Zan, Adriel, correct. है ना? So think in those terms. और आपके पास प्रोडक्ट क्या मिलना चाहिए? This should be the product. Yes, Samira, correct. अभी बताइए alkene कौन सा इस्तेमाल होगा यहाँ पे? What type of alkene should we use? What will be the structure of alkene? Can you send the structure, Samira? Ethene कौन बोल रहा है भाई? Can you please send the structure, all of you guys, on my WhatsApp? Samira, Zan, all of you guys, please send the answer on my WhatsApp. Yes, that is one correct structure. And there can be one more structure. Okay. Please see here. Name the possible alkenes. Okay. So एक और हो सकता है. Samira, the one that you have made, that is correct. There can be one more structure. Adriel, आप भेजिए. Send me the structure. See here, guys, how you have to approach this. Yes, Fahad, that is correct. देखिए, please see. All of you, please see. This is your product जो आपको चाहिए. And what you need to have an alkene, right? You need to have an alkene. Now see here. This alkene would have this structure. At least this chlorine should not be there, right? This chlorine should not be there. And when chlorine is added onto this particular carbon atom, chlorine is added on this carbon atom, that means this carbon atom will be having some double bond. Now, what are the potential double bonds from this carbon atom? You can either have a double bond like this, you can have a double bond like this, or you can have a double bond like this. These are the only three possible, but you will say that, sir, first and second possibilities are same. These are not different. If you are going to name it, the name are going to be same. So first and second are same thing only. So as a result, we have only two possibilities, and both of these possibilities on reaction with HCl are going to give you this product. Okay. So there are two different ways. Please write this down. Write this down. Identify the major product formed when 2-cyclohexylchloroethane undergoes dehydrohalogenation reaction. Name the reagent which is used to carry out this reaction. I hope all of you remember dehydrohalogenation. If you have prepared the sheet for chemical properties of haloalkane and haloarene, you must have it there only. So by the way, all of you understood the previous problem, how to do it? Yes or no? Please tell me, guys.
Yes,
अप्रोच
sir.
समझ में आया ना? है ना? आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना सबसे पहले कि कौन से कार्बन में आपका क्लोरीन ऐड हो रहा है. And since it is going to be Markovnikov, आपके पास what you have two choices. You have either this is the most substituted, right? And either have a double bond here or here. Fahad, that is correct. Elimination reaction. Yes, Fahad, that is correct. हाँ, कम से कम reagent का नाम आप लोग बता सकते हैं. What will be the name of the reagent in dehydrohalogenation? Yes, Samira, correct. Adriel, correct. Very good. I hope you have identified the product, major product, है ना? Please send the answers on my WhatsApp. Show the reaction and send the answer. वैसे इस सवाल में आपको reaction दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है. If you just write the name of the product, that will be enough. And the reagents. I'm still waiting. What happened, guys? किसी का आंसर नहीं आया? Okay. Anyone? No, no one has answered. Okay, Zan. I'm waiting for answer from Jiva. आपका आंसर नहीं आया. हुजैफा, अहमद. मैमुना, आपने भी आंसर नहीं किया है. Do you have to write the structure and show the reaction? No, you don't have to write the structure and show the reaction. If you just write the name, आपको 2 लिखना पड़ेगा. Write the answers like this. Dash will be formed. when 2-cyclohexylfluoroethane undergoes dehydrohalogenation, reaction dash will be used as reagent to carry out the reaction. बस ये लिखना है आपको इस तरह से. Don't have to show the reaction. Mamuna, what happened? Tell me. जिन बच्चों ने जवाब नहीं दिया, किस किसने जवाब दिया? Zan and Samaira, Adriel, Fahad, है ना? बस अहमद, मैमुना, जीवा, हुजैफा. जी मैमुना, क्या हुआ? नहीं आ रहा इस सवाल? Yes, मैमुना, tell me. What about others? Ahmed, Huzaifa, Jiva, also Adriel, Samaira, you guys have not given me the product. क्या product, major product मिलने वाला है ना? आप लोगों ने बस reagent बताया है. Yes, Mamuna, will you tell me what happened? Mamuna, are you there? Yes. क्या हुआ? नहीं हो रहा आपसे? Mamuna? What are you doing? Can you please turn your mic on? Yes, tell me. क्या कर रहे हैं आप? बताइए तो जरा. फिर माइक ऑफ कर लिया आपने. Yes, Mamuna, tell me. Mamuna, I can't hear you at all. Ahmed, what about you? Yes, Ahmed.
Yes, sir.
नहीं हो रहा आपसे ये सवाल?
Said,
Sorry?
ethanolic reagent.
What?
Ethanolic reagent.
Ethanolic?
Reagent.
नहीं. And what is the product? Ahmed, what is the product? Yes, Ahmed.
So,
Sorry?
Yes,
Say it
sir.
loudly, ना? Say it loudly. हाँ, बताइए.
No, sir. Is it cyclohexylchloroethane?
कहाँ से देख के पढ़ रहे हैं आप?
No,
है ना?
sir. Is it? Yes, sir.
ये कीजिए बस आप लोग. What happens? What type of reaction does? What is the reagent you were saying? Ethanolic? Yes, tell me. What is the reagent? Ethanolic? This is 2-cyclohexylchloroethane. Dehydrohalogenation. From this carbon atom, halogen will be removed, and from the next carbon atom, the alpha carbon, hydrogen will be removed. and you will get CH2. What will be the name of this product? This will be named as 1-cyclohexyl. 1-cyclohexyl. Then you have ethene, eth and en and e. Write this question. Allyl chloride is hydrolyzed more readily than N-propyl chloride. Why? One is compulsory. Adriel, yes, one is compulsory. ठीक है? देखिए हम कंपलसरी इस वजह से बोलते हैं ना, बिकॉज अगर आपने 1 लिख दिया यहाँ पे तो फिर आपका मार्क्स ऐसा कभी कटेगा नहीं. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आपने 1 लिख दिया तो मार्क्स कट जाएंगे. नंबरिंग, अगर इफ यू आर राइटिंग द नंबर्स फॉर द मेन चेन, देन मार्क्स डिडक्ट होने की कोई चांसेस ही नहीं. बट इफ आई गिव दिस ऑप्शन टू स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे नहीं लिख सकते. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स दे समटाइम्स इवन फॉरगेट टू राइट इवन व्हेन इट इज लाइक 2 or 3 or 4. सिर्फ 1 का केस ऐसा जहाँ पे लिखने मतलब यू हैव अ चॉइस, यू कैन राइट इट और यू कैन नॉट राइट इट. इट्स योर चॉइस. ठीक है, बट स्टिल आई विल से इट इज कंपलसरी. आप इसी को कंपलसरी मान के चलिए. एवरीथिंग यू हैव टू नंबर. Okay, you have to number everything. Even for that matter, I would say that you have to write it like this: eth 1e. नंबरिंग करने से कभी मार्क्स कटेंगे नहीं आपके. हाँ, ये सवाल देखिए. allyl chloride is hydrolyzed more readily than N-propyl chloride. What is allyl chloride? When you have 1 to 3 carbon atoms, and this third carbon atom will have Cl. Okay, so this is allyl chloride. Allyl halide is what? If you remember the first class, in the first class only I have discussed about allyl, benzyl and everything, right? देखिए, benzylic से पहले allylic halide. See here, what is allylic halide? Halogen atom is connected to sp3 carbon. This sp3 carbon is further connected to C double bond C, है ना? तो इसमें आपके पास एक ये केस था. देखिए, this is your allyl chloride, CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH2 and Cl. This is the allyl chloride that I have written. CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH2 and then Cl. If you hydrolyze this, that means you are going to add water, and you will get a product which is alcohol. N-propyl chloride is what? Normal propyl, and chlorine is going to be in the last carbon atom like this. Here also, if you add H2, you're going to get alcohol. But both of these reactions are what? These are nucleophilic substitution. These are nucleophilic substitution reactions. Now, if you look at this particular allyl chloride, in SN1, the chlorine will leave, and you will get a positive charge here. This positive charge is going to be resonance stabilized. And since this is resonance stabilized, it is going to be what? It is going to be stable, and that is why this reaction with allyl chloride is going to be faster. Is this clear? Yes or no? Please tell me, guys.
Yes, sir.
Right. I think we may have discussed this also. Yes or no? So discuss क्या होता नहीं क्या होता. So you'll write here. The allylic chloride forms resonance stabilized carbocation on hydrolysis. hence it is faster. No such stabilization is present in N-propyl chloride. Similar question is this one. Please write this down. Which one of the following compound is more reactive towards SN1 reaction? SN1 में आपको हमेशा क्या देखना है? Stability of carbocation. इसके लिए बताइए फहद, 3 डिग्री और जो आपने लिखा है ना 3 डिग्री 2 डिग्री 1 डिग्री फिर उसका 0, तो सिर्फ हैलो एल्केन के लिए अगर आपके पास अरीन हो जहाँ पे आपके पास क्या बनता है, इफ यू हैव बेंजीन रिंग एंड ऑल, तो वहां पे स्टेबिलिटी दूसरी हो जाएगी ना. हैलो एल्केन के लिए ये सही है. यहाँ पे देखिए बताइए, राइट द स्ट्रक्चर्स देन ओनली यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. मैमूना क्या हो रहा है? आप कुछ बताइएगा, आप कुछ बोल भी नहीं रही हैं, आपने कोई आंसर भी नहीं किया. सेम विथ हुजैफा, जीवा. हुजैफा आप बताइए व्हाट हैपेंड? यू हैव नॉट आंसर्ड एनीथिंग टिल नाउ. कुछ तैयारी नहीं है क्या आपकी? रिवाइज करके नहीं आए हैं? यस हुजैफा. आप माइक ऑन कीजिए हुजैफा. हम पूछ रहे हैं आपसे, तैयारी करके नहीं आए हैं कुछ भी.
Yes, sir.
You haven't revised anything.
I did not, sir.
Why? और कुछ नहीं आ रहा क्या आपको? हालोरीन आपने किया ही नहीं है. 1 महीने के
नहीं,
अंदर
सर,
बोर्ड
थोड़ा-
एग्जाम होने वाले हैं, सब जगह कंप्लीट हो
थोड़ा
चुका है,
बहुत आ
टेस्ट
रहा
हो
है, सर.
चुका है, तो फिर एक भी आंसर नहीं आया आपका. पढ़ाई कीजिए आप लोग. जीवा व्हाट हैपेंड? जीवा
Yes, sir.
what happened? You have not answered anything till now.
Yes, I did, I guess.
You have answered which question?
Yes, sir. And the previous one. That's like
Previous one? Where did you answer, Jeeva?
In WhatsApp, sir.
On WhatsApp? You have copied this answer, Jeeva, from somewhere.
No, sir. I just found it.
You just found it.
Yeah.
Found it where?
No, I did my own, sir.
Or did you on your own?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me one thing.
Yes.
What is ethanol? What is this reagent you have written now?
It's potassium hydroxide.
Oh, that is potassium hydroxide. But you have written something else also. Right? You have written ethanolic potassium hydroxide. Correct?
Yes.
What is ethanolic? Hmm? Yes, Jeeva. What is ethanolic KOH?
I don't know, sir.
You don't know? तो फिर आपने कैसे लिखा है अगर आपको पता नहीं है तो?
The word came on my mind, I just wrote it.
The word came in your mind. Show me somewhere in the notes now. Where is this written? Ethanolic KOH.
I don't have the alcohol notes, sir. I don't have the Haloarenes.
Send the answer for this one. किसी का आंसर नहीं आ रहा, क्या हो गया? A, B, C, D. Raise your hand if you have completed NCERT of haloalkane haloarene. No? Raise your hand. अरे क्या जैन, कैन यू प्लीज, ये प्राइमरी सेकेंडरी टेस्ट सिर्फ यही याद करके रखना है क्या? और कुछ पढ़ाया नहीं है हमने? Dear. See here, guys. कौन सा होगा इसमें से? I'm asking, raise your hand if you have completed NCERT ना? लोगों ने NCERT किया है, एटलीस्ट द क्वेश्चंस अगर किया होगा तो पता होगा ये आंसर तो। किसी ने नहीं किया NCERT, बहुत बढ़िया, बोर्ड की तैयारी चल रही है। समारा का ही आंसर आया है। समारा, दैट इज राइट। Which is going to give the most stable? Which is going to give the most stable कार्बोकैटायन A, B, C और D? ये स्ट्रक्चर ही बनाने नहीं आ रहा था क्या? जब तक स्ट्रक्चर नहीं बनाया तो एक भी आंसर नहीं आ रहा था, है ना? स्ट्रक्चर ही बनाने नहीं आ रहा आप लोगों को, बहुत बढ़िया। ध्यान दीजिए क्या क्या पढ़ना है आप लोगों को अब, ठीक है? समायरा, आपने स्ट्रक्चर नहीं बनाया था अभी तक? समायरा?
No, sir, I mean.
Okay. Adriel, what about you? स्ट्रक्चर बनाया था आपने?
Yes, sir.
बहुत लेट आंसर किया आपने। फर्स्ट थोड़ा सा और देखिए। योर आंसर इज करेक्ट एड्रियल। So all of you have to look like this. है ना, ये Br तो नहीं होगा. Carbocation, 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 which is the most stable carbocation. This carbocation is going to be most stable because this is going to have resonance from 2 benzene rings. That is why C option is the correct option. Write this question. Name a suitable alcohol and reagent from which 2-chloro-2-methyl propane can be prepared. First of all, make the structure. जिन लोगों ने अभी तक एनसीईआरटी नहीं की, प्लीज एनसीईआरटी की, तो वरना कुछ मार्क्स नहीं आएगा, फिर आप लोग ऐसे देखते रह जाइएगा सवालों को. तो घर आके देखिएगा सोल्यूशन डाला है किसी ने, यूट्यूब चैनल में देखिएगा, सब बोलेगा सब तो आता था हमको, फिर भी कुछ नहीं आया. एटलीस्ट कंप्लीट योर एनसीईआरटी टेक्स्ट बुक. You have to use an alcohol. This is very easy question, okay? 2-chloro-2-methyl propane. पहले अल्कोहल बताइए. Zan, suitable alcohol. अरे अल्कोहल बताइए, अल्कोहल, suitable alcohol. Send the answer on WhatsApp, okay? Yes, then that is correct. Yeah. सही है, Samira, very good. That is correct. नो एड्रियल, नॉट राइट. काफी कोशिश किया आपने. आप आंसर भेजिए ना. क्या व्हाट्सएप नहीं चल रहा आपका एड्रियल? यू डोंट हैव द फोन राइट नाउ. ट्राई टू नेम इट देन. क्या नाम होगा इसका? सेंड द नेम. If you can't send the structure, send the name. What happened? Memuna आपसे नहीं हो रहा? Yes, Memuna. Yes, Memuna. Memuna, can you please rejoin? आपकी आवाज बिल्कुल नहीं आ रही है. I can't hear you at all. Can you please rejoin? हाँ, सही है. Yes. First, that is correct. Very good. Yes, Memuna, can you please turn your mic on now? Yes, Memuna. Are you speaking now? अभी भी आवाज नहीं आ रही है आपकी तो. What happened? Is there any problem with your mic? बाकी क्लासेस में भी ऐसा ही हो रहा है, Memuna. Please answer in chat. Or is it just in this class? Ahmed, no answer from you also. कुछ पढ़ ही नहीं रहे बच्चे. Oh my God, so surprised. क्या पता नहीं अब किसके इंतजार में आप लोग. Your mic isn't working today. This is 2-chloro-2-methyl. Okay. Now, how can we prepare? What type of alcohol should be used? Just replace this chlorine with what? This is retrosynthetic arrow. With this. And what is the reagent that you can use? You can use SOCl2, right? Or you can use one reagent that I would use here is HCl in the presence of ZnCl2. because you can also name this reagent that this is Lucas reagent. है ना? So this is CS3 and OH. Reagent is Lucas reagent. HCl in the presence of ZnCl2, and the alcohol that you are going to use is, what is this? 1, 2, 3. This is 2-methyl prop in 2-ol. 2-methyl propane 2-ol. नहीं, आपको कुछ और, आपको देखिए आपने ये भेजा था, हम समझ गए थे आप क्या भेजना चाह रहे हैं, बट स्टिल इट वाज नॉट राइट। ये आया था, आपने OH लिख दिया। Adil, can you see this? So यहाँ पे ये Cl होगा, my bad. This will be Cl here. It seems like the OH is with CS3. Adil, I can't understand what you're trying to say.
I meant the CH3 and the OH group to be connected to the second carbon.
मतलब हमने लिखा है या फिर जो आपने लिखा है?
No. Like when it got sent, the space went a little back, I think.
अच्छा, okay, fine. Out of chloromethane and fluoromethane, which one has higher dipole moment and why? Please see this answer, see this question. इसको कैसे करेंगे देखिए. Chloromethane is what? CH3 bonded to Cl. Fluoromethane is CH3 bonded to fluorine. Now, we all know that the bond length of CH3Cl is greater than CH3F, right? If I compare chloromethane and fluoromethane, which is going to have which is going to have higher bond length, chloromethane is going to have higher bond, right? That is why is greater bond length is greater than CH3 due to larger size of chlorine. Therefore, CH3Cl will have higher dipole. Was that first center question? Just a second, guys. Okay. Now write this question. NCERT में एक ये सवाल है, which is what I can say, a bit good question. Roadmap type of questions. 4 more minutes, and then I will do this question. Primary alkyl halide. First of all, it is primary. C4H9Br reacts with alcoholic KOH to give a compound B. The compound B is reacted with HBr to give C, which is an isomer of A, but it is not A, it is an isomer of A. When A is treated with sodium metal, it gives compounds D, that is C8H18, which is different from the compound. When N-butyl bromide is reacted with sodium, alcoholic OH. So this is alkene, and reacted with HBr. So Marconi-Pavlov addition, and you get C. This is again haloalkane. And when C is reacted with sodium, right? Wood's reaction, you get the compound D. D has a formula which is C8 and H18, which is different from the compound formed when N-butyl bromide is reacted with sodium. That means, अगर आपके पास N-butyl bromide होता तो you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms and Br. If you react this with sodium, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This would be the product. So if I say this is E, then I will say that D and E are different. That means C is not this structure, है ना? C ये नहीं हो सकता है. First of all, that C is not the structure. No, the question that you have to ask is, what are the different isomers of C4H9Br? What are the different isomers of C4H9Br? What are the different isomers? आप क्या क्या बना सकते हैं? This is one C4H9Br. Another would be this is C4H9Br. One isomer will be this one. Okay. Now please remember here, this is 1 degree, this is 2 degree, but this is again 1 degree. Obviously, it is saying that this 1 degree cannot be our structure, right? Why? The C structure is not 1 degree. The C structure is this one here. है ना, यही हो सकता है. और हाँ, 1 degree में आपके पास 2 ही choice है. So obviously it is not this structure. N-butyl bromide नहीं है. तो क्या हो सकता है सिर्फ आपके पास? The only possibility is this 1 degree structure. So we start with here. Br reacts with alcoholic KOH. It is going to give you a double bond here. When you react this with HBr, in this case, you have two different, the red or the blue one. So Br is going to attach on the red one because that is more substituted. Now, when you react this with sodium, what am I going to get? This structure. Wait a second. Wait a second. C4H9 Br reacts with alcoholic KOH to give this compound. C8H18, which is different from the primary alkyl, right? C4H9 reacts with alcoholic. which is an isomer of A. This is an isomer of A. अच्छा, there can be one more structure. अगर हम ये भी ले तो Br, and then if you react alcoholic KOH, अच्छा दोनों से हो सकता है. Br here. When you react this with HBr, you will get Br here. And when you react this with sodium, you will get the structure, right? Yeah, this is one of the structure, and this is another structure. ये भी चाहे ना 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, this is also one of the kicks. When N-butyl bromide is reacted with sodium, give the structural formula A and write the equation for all the reaction. Reacted with alcoholic KOH to give formula B. Compound B reacts with HBr. Give C, which is an isomer of A. When A is reacted with sodium, it will give compound D, C8H18. C8H18. 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 9918. Huh. Write both of these pathways. Oh, okay, okay. When A is reacted with लिखा हुआ है.
But then how will we do the other normal straight chain one?
Straight chain one will not be there, no?
Okay.
Because it is saying when A reacts with sodium, it is giving C8H18, and it is different. It is different from N-butyl bromide. इसका क्या मतलब है? It means A cannot be N-butyl bromide. Earlier I misread it to D. कौन लिखा हुआ है? When A is reacted with, ठीक है? So what they are saying, when A is reacted with, देखिए, the reactions are same. Just यहाँ पे आपको ऐसे लिखना है. There are This is one of the primary alkyl halide for C4H9Br, and this is another primary. This is another primary alkyl halide. What you will write? Since A cannot be N-butyl bromide, इसका दो नाम होगा, ठीक है. दिस इज नोन एज आइसोप्रोपाइल isobutyl bromide. It's the common name, and the IUPAC name will be 1 to 3 carbon atom, and you have Br and methyl now. So this will be 1 bromo, 2 methyl, propane. Okay, since A cannot be N-butyl bromide, A is 1 bromo, 2 methyl, propane. And then you will write the reactions. So when A is reacted with sodium metal, it gives C8H18, which is different from the compound when N-butyl bromide is reacted with sodium. So इससे हमको क्या पता चल रहा है? That A cannot be N-butyl bromide. Okay, A cannot be N-butyl bromide as the product given when reacted with sodium is different. See, those who have done the NCERT now, if you want more problems, then you can do the exemplar questions. ठीक है? If you see the exemplar questions, वहीं से आप क्या कर सकते हैं? Assertion and reason वाले सवाल भी practice कर सकते हैं. Or if you know ना, there is something known as exemplar. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
है ना? अगर किसी को नहीं पता तो प्लीज NCERT ही पब्लिश करती है. Do those questions. An exemplar has enough questions. आपको और किसी चीज की दूसरी चीज की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. जब एग्जाम ये तो आपको सिलेबस कंप्लीट कर रही है, एग्जाम की तैयारी नहीं, ठीक है ना? ये आप सिलेबस कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं कि जितने से ज्यादा सवाल हो सकते हो आपने वो सारे सवाल कर लिए. अब जब एग्जाम की तैयारी, अभी कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं, अभी से ही वो जो कुछ गाइड बुक्स आते हैं ना ऑसवाल है जैसे, वो अभी से ही वो प्रैक्टिस करने लगते हैं. दिस इज नॉट द टाइम. ठीक है? ऑसवाल में क्या कीजिएगा आप, हमको पता है ना, ऑसवाल का स्ट्रक्चर भी एक तो ऐसा ही है. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव गॉट ऑसवाल? टेल मी. नो वन हैज गॉट ऑसवाल टिल नाउ. ऑसवाल्ड किसी के पास नहीं है? नहीं है तब ठीक है। अभी पहले एनसीईआरटी कीजिए, नोट्स पढ़िए, एनसीईआरटी कीजिए। अब फेब में आप एग्जाम की तैयारी स्टार्ट कीजिएगा, है ना? फेब में जब आप एग्जाम की तैयारी स्टार्ट कीजिएगा, उस टाइम आप किसी गाइड बुक को ले सकते हैं, अदरवाइज यू कैन डायरेक्टली स्टार्ट डूइंग द सैम्पल पेपर्स। सैम्पल पेपर्स में आप लोग कितने बजे से होता है आप लोग का एग्जाम? आई थिंक इट विल बी फ्रॉम व्हाट 8:30 या 7:30? कब से होता है क्लास, ये एग्जाम आप लोग का? टाइमिंग्स क्या होंगे आपके एग्जाम्स की? पता है किसी को? नहीं पता किसी को?
So I think it's 8:30.
8:30 8, हाँ। तो जो भी टाइमिंग्स है ना एग्जाम की, आप उसी टाइम लेके बैठिए सुबह सुबह, ठीक है? उससे क्या होगा, अगर आप लगातार एक हफ्ते या फिर एक महीने से आप सुबह 8 बजे उठ के आप अगर प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं ना, तो आपका दिमाग यूज टू हो जाएगा कि आप 8 बजे उठ के, लाइक यू आर यूजिंग द कंप्लीट ब्रेन, यू आर स्टार्टिंग टू यूज द कंप्लीट ब्रेन एट 8 o'clock, ठीक है? तो दिमाग उस टाइम आपका हैबिचुएटेड हो जाएगा। एंड देन डू द सैम्पल पेपर्स विथ clock on, give an alarm of 3 hours, and don't like have an environment where you have the complete like exam like environment, and do the